Hello, we're back again here messing around with the digger. This is the second day. The video before this, I took the thermostat housing off the digger because it was one of the bolts had broken off, and it sorted all that out, which took a very long time. Now I took the thermostat housing to work. I've cleaned it all up, got all that back to being clean. This is the top part here. That's the bit, and then I got some new bolts and. Well, that's it really, new bolts, so I'll put that back together now. And I need some proper sealer to seal it on because I haven't got the gaskets to back it. So all I've got, this was actually being chucked out, industrial glazing silicone. That should do the trick. It does say, which is odd for industrial glazing silicone, that it's all right up to 200 degrees. So that's more than enough for this. This should, well, it should run at about 90, I would guess, but it's probably going to get up to more than that when it overheats, if it overheats. So we'll see how we get on with that stuff. So I'll start putting this together now. Right, I've done that. I put the thermostat housing back on. It was pretty uneventful, really. I've put everything else back together. There's not really much to see. That's on there. I've put the funny sealer stuff on instead of a gasket, so I'll let that dry. I won't start it up now. There's no point. I'll let the sealer dry, and hopefully then that'll be okay. And see if there's any leaks. There's all sorts of little things I quite like to do to dig. Tidy up loads of wiring and fix the heater and replace some of the bits of glass and little things like that. But it all works and it's fine. But the reason this digger's here, I bought this digger, we bought it a few years ago, is we've got this pond which is quite big. It's I think it's about nearly 100 metres long and perhaps 30 metres wide. So that the other end of it's down there. That's where the stream comes in. There's a stream comes in and runs and overflows. Hang on, I'll show you where it overflows. You can't see it, but it overflows there and goes through a tunnel underground. And there's just here, which is a big breakthrough. I think it was, I can't remember, last year I was digging down to try and find the sluice gate, which is like a plug hole. And I dug down and got to that. I'll show it in another video. It's basically a nice little sort of trapdoor that slides up and down. And there's another pipe that goes underground and comes out over there. So when you empty it, I guess it would have driven something some time ago, but that's it obviously doesn't have, 'cause it's full of mud and all the industry's gone. But the plan is to dig all this out and make it back into being a pond. Obviously nice fields over there. There's Liz over there. So it'll be many videos hopefully of us digging and sorting stuff out. The plan is, well, I keep saying the plan. There isn't really a plan because it keeps changing because things keep evolving. But we're going to put a lot of the soil at that end and make that raised, and then dig all this out so that it's just all nice pond. But you can see the dam wall, really quite chunky stuff. It's well built and it'll be good. So that's why the digger's here. That's what we're doing, and it relies on it being dry, which today actually it is pretty dry, but usually it's wet, like that. But anyway, we're getting there. So now I fixed the little water leak on the digger. Next time it's dry, I can do a bit and start taking it all to that end. Yeah, okie dokie. See you next time. Bye.